let's talk about overhead carries. We're going to pick the weight up to the shoulder. Let's get a push press to get it overhead. From here, we're gonna leave it overhead as we carry. I like to put my other arm out to the side, gives me a little balance. And the goal is to pull those ribs in and extend the arm at the same time. This is the tricky part, because when your arm's overhead, you wanna just let everything go right here. So this is a little bit easier if I just kind of let my abs loose, carry it like that. But when it's overhead, pull everything in tight, extend, and walk tall.